We'll guide you through how to download and install the YouTube app on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The YouTube app makes it so convenient to go and watch videos, so it's super useful to go and have on your iPhone, and it also has some useful features as well. So what you want to do is go and open up the App Store on your iPhone, which should be on the first page, or you can go and search your phone for it. Go to the bottom right of the App Store and click on the search button, and go to the top and click on the search bar, and you can then go and type in YouTube like so. After you typed it in, you then need to scroll down and locate it. Go over to the right. Yours will probably say get, but because I've downloaded the app before, it's got a cloud with an arrow pointing down, so I'll click there. Yours also get like this top app says at the top for me though. Now go and wait for it to download. After it's downloaded, it will then go and change to open, and what you can then do is click there. And what you can do is sign into a Google account if you have one. I'm getting one suggested here as I've got this one on my phone already. But what you can do is click on select an account or continue without signing in. And just like that, I'm now signed into YouTube. And then what we can do is go and start using it. So you can go and check out the homepage for sort of suggested content. We can click on search at the top. For example, we could go and search for GuideRealm, and then here's the channel.